care of God matters.
Very difficult for her.
Even before the collapse.
We see it as accident. You see, because I don't know why, I don't know the meaning of Iyaloja. I don't know the meaning of Babaloja. But I know we have a government here, which is capped down, and it's registered with the government. We are even asking questions, what is the meaning of this Iyaloja and the Babaloja? Nobody have explained. All we can see is just their banners. They don't have even a quarter shop. I don't think if they have shop, we will know now. They don't have job, so maybe they are just imported.
We appreciate comfortably for what they did for us, for the Babaloja and Mamaloja, about their this thing. But it's very appreciated. We are just begging them the way they are collecting money from us here on the road for here. We that we are working here, the way they are collecting money from us here, is too much and we don't like it. They should just help us to reduce the money and the way they are collecting the money, the way they are approach people.
This place is an ITC market, not a pepper market or tomato or clothes. So, to my best of knowledge, Iyaloja and Babaloja, Computer Village did not actually need Iyaloja and Babaloja since they have an organization that is functioning, which is capped down.
I think government should not approve it. It's not right because, firstly, this place is not a market. It's a residential area. It's a residential area. It's not approved by government as market. And this thing, when they talk about Iyaloja, is another way of using trick to collect money from people hands. I don't see anything good in it.
Iyaloja or whatever the government in power, how they want to maybe fix so many things in their state. There is cap down already, but for some of the cap down members, they feel betrayed. They feel they were not carried along from the installation of the Iyaloja and the Babaloja. But I believe it's for good of everybody, in as much as they have a good intention.
Although this is international market, and secondly, this is Yoruba land also. We cannot, because of the international market, Kapa, Isheshe, Wasi. No, it's not possible. In India, they have their own culture. They don't because of international or no international, Kokpa culture. So it's a good idea. We need it.
It's good to have something like that. Iyaloja, I support it. I support Iyaloja and Babaloja. But we thank God that it has happened because the meeting we went for last 3 weeks, we heard that they have paid the person that sold horse as Iyaloja Babaloja. What's it called? What's his name? Tinubu daughter. What's her name? Yabot is the one that owned that head us in Nigeria generally. So now they have paid her 2 million naira so that they can support our motion of Iyaloja and Babaloja.